Yeah, package. So let's go ahead and open it. Yes, there it is. So let me just quickly sanitize everything. Okay. Throw the box away. Okay, here's the YuHu V2M Megaminx, and this is the GMS Pyraminx. QiYi stand, I guess, and QiYi business card. Let's take a look at this stand first. So, why does it come in a box? Okay, nice one. Now here's the GMS Pyraminx, and there's a lot of plastic to get through. There we have it, the puzzle, and there's nothing much in the box. It's kind of like a solving guide inside. Yes, I like the simplicity of the box. Now let's throw this away too, and let's go on to the GMS Pyraminx. The shades are pretty nice overall. Let's go for the first turns. Ooh, cutting corners really nicely. Okay, the tips are pretty weak, as I heard. This is really uncontrollable out of the box. My god, it just flies. You need to set it up and slow it down. The tips are slower, but the magnets are really weak. I have extra magnets, so I'll just throw them in, and I guess it will be a good Pyraminx. Now we have the YuHu V2M Megam, so let's go ahead and open it. Okay, there's a plastic wrap on it as well. Okay, pretty weird plastic wrap. Oh, that was pretty simple. Let's get rid of this as well. The shades are pretty good. Actually, many people say that these two green are pretty similar, but I did see a difference, so yeah, you don't need the green tiles, but I wanted to get the black tiles, so I guess I'll get it the next. Okay, so let's get into first turns. Corner cuts pretty well. Reverse. Oh. Magnet strength, light, between light and moderate. Algs flow really well. It is still kind of fast for me, as I am used to the slow Sheng Shao, which is just really slow, and this is way better than that. The ridges are crescent shaped, but there's no problem in it. Like, I can grip it pretty well. Yes, I need to get used to it. So to sum it up, this is pretty much an instant main over the Shengshao, and I just love it. Right. So that's the haul of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. I guess I'll do a separate review for this one, the YuHu V2M Pyraminx. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.